Cali, Colombia, allá está haciendo frío, aquí no. Aguada, it's beautiful, the Canada, you people, I love you forever. And you're from Colombia, hey, bye bye.
Buenas empanadas, damas y caballeros. ¿Cómo estás? Well, I'm going to try this once again. My GoPro's been giving me a bit of grief, but welcome to La Aguada in Santander. Also considered to be El Mirador, the viewpoint of Santander. And there is a spectacular view of the mountains over that way. Hopefully, I've been here for a couple days already. And I'm hoping that I got some of the Christmas lights because they're taking them all down right now. This is the Plaza Principal. I really like this little town. I've been here for 2 nights and it's been super quiet, which is really hard to find anywhere in Colombia. So let me just show you around quickly here. This is the tiny little church. Doesn't look like I can go inside. And there's the local hangouts there. Just do a little spin around the block here. As you can see, there are some Christmas decorations there, but they're taking them down right now as we speak. There's the local motorcycle gang, La Aguada's Angels. And the reason a tourist would come here to La Aguada is because of a place called Cañón del Alferez. And unfortunately, my goal was to go to Cañón Alferez, but it's been raining too much and the water level has been too high. Looks like they're doing some repairs over there. I'm just making my way towards one of the miradors, the lookout points. I think we have the Coupe Mondiale going on here. Pretty intense. It's a fast-paced game. Nice to see people playing sports just like I did when I was younger. You don't see that so much because everybody's on their cell phone all the time. Nice to see that they have the homes painted in nice pastelish colors. This appears to be the local school. As you can see, they've got the old style stone roads here. It's a quaint little town. I like it. Super quiet today though. I have to point something perhaps a little silly out, but it just kind of struck me as I was walking along here, this sidewalk. Normally in Colombia, especially in the little towns out in the middle of nowhere, they don't even have sidewalks for starters. But even in the cities like Bogota, they have some sidewalks, but they're all bumpy and broken up. And here's this little tiny town. And again, this is just a little tiny road here with a couple houses on it, and they've got beautiful sidewalks. It's amazing. Basically, the town goes for only about 2 blocks in any direction from here. There's only your real basic stores, real basic grocery stores, so you're not going to find any Exitos in here, which is the kind of like a Walmart sized market in Colombia. As you can see, this is what they generally construct the local houses out of, these bricks. going to presume that they find that material in this area. But anyway, back to the canyon. Yeah, 2 days in a row. It's rained overnight, really hard last night. Got the news, couldn't go again today. And my friends from Bogota and Popayan, they left. They can't stick around any longer. And so I'm gonna stick it out one more day, hope for the best, and hope I can go tomorrow. If not, I might head out in the morning. Now, there is a mirador, a viewpoint up there somewhere, which I'll go to later, and I'll show you that after. But yeah, lovely little town. People are very friendly. The hotel where I'm staying, Hotel Carmen Rosa, Doña Carmen, is really nice, very accommodating. They have a little restaurant downstairs, super accommodating, making the meals that I prefer. And yeah, they couldn't be any nicer. So happy with the price as well. I did a video of my room, which will be included in this. For only 30,000 pesos, that's only not even $9 Canadian, 7 US, so can't complain about that. At long last, I'm about to visit the viewpoint, El Mirador, Alto de la Cruz, Lindo Mirador Turístico de Santander. Get to go through a little archway. Here comes the family. It is indeed a very nice view, and that is La Aguada. That's all there is to it. Like I said, it's about 5 blocks long, thereabouts. I really enjoy it here. Beautiful. And somewhere down, I think over this way is, or possibly are both the canyons, Ropera and Alferez, but decided not to go to Ropera. It didn't look exciting enough. A little more of an unobscured view over here. And then after this, I'm just going to chill out for a good half an hour. Hola caballos, ¿cómo estás? I'm a little timid. Are you friendly? It's okay. Well, the one horse is very, very timid. I know that you can't see it terribly well, but that green roof, the rounded green roof, I'll zoom in and post-processing. They have these little outdoor, whatever you want to call them, sports complexes, I guess we'll call it, which I think is a great idea, because that means the kids can play when it's pouring rain, and I think that'd be a good idea to have in places in Canada. Alright, I'm going to take you into what I presume to be the main general store here. The guy seems to be pretty friendly in there, so I don't think he'll mind. A little loud though, so.
No sería uno alto el marido de una vez, ¿eh? Ay, yo se pone, yo muy culebres.
Oiga, ¿sabe qué? El video, marica, de un choque, la buena por eso.
Ayúdame la mano.
Mano, la mano, yo le... Que Dios lo bendiga, que le vaya muy bien. ¡No, la
¿Qué está? ¿Segundo Iván? Iván. En la casa de Iván.
Ay, marica, sí.
Lo partió bajando toda la camioneta y estaba buscando ahí. Si no, yo me vengo a buscarlos a los guarpaquí aquí, pero no andaban de acá y eso les tocaba andar porque cada parte.
Ay, marica, sí.
Ese no aguanta mucho. Pero el viejito ese, el que le
It seemed like those guys were having a good old time in there. So if you want to stay in the hotel where I'm at, Carmen Rosa, the cathedral's right over there, right in the center of the screen right now, Parque Principal, and you got this fairly large building here, and then it's just up the street half a block, and I'll show you once we get there. Buenas tardes.
¿Qué busca el hombre?
¿Cómo?
¿Qué busca?
Agua.
Agua así o más grandecita. Tengo como esa, papá. Allá, la que está allá a su izquierda. Allá.
Ok. Bueno.
¿Más grandecita?
¿Eso es agua
No, la de arriba.
normal o no? Eso. ¿Solo eso?
Sí. ¿Más grande? Tengo el litro. nada más.
Eso está bien.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Al clima o fría?
Esto está bien.
¿Sí? 1500.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. This here is the starting product.
Sí, el proceso.
He's working el proceso, sí, and he's working on sanding it and making it nice and smooth. And then this is what it can look like after it's all done. Y el nombre de eso otra vez es
Calabazo.
calabazo.
Son calabazos.
So it's a natural thing. And then they make these really cool little roosters and chickens out of them. That's pollos, see? Cool. Para vender, see? Bueno. And so the purpose for them actually, besides decoration, I think, is to keep water and milk inside them, but I don't see a lid. But I think that's what he said before. Okay, here's an example of how they carry it in a little bag for drinking when they're walking around. So you just walk up the street half a block and you're right here, Hotel Carmen. And I think we'll go meet Carmen in just a moment. They said they have lunch here for a really good deal. Hola, damas y caballeros. What I'd like to do now is introduce you to Doña Carmen, who runs the hotel with her family. And I had a really nice stay here. The people are super nice. They cook meals down in the restaurant with a really good, affordable price. And if you come and stay here, you'll also get to meet Don Ivan and their daughter and their son, as well as their dog. And you're going to have a great view in this area here. So, cuéntame de tu hotel, Doña Carmen.
Hola, buenas tardes. Soy Carmen. Tengo aquí un hotel en Aguada. Siempre bienvenido don Tomás, a conocer nuestros sitios turísticos. Bienvenidos para todos. Y si necesitan más información, tenemos WhatsApp y también nos consiguen en Google Maps.
Excelente, gracias.
Gracias, muy amable.
Before I mess things up too much, let me just give you a quick tour of my room and my amazing view. This is a double bed. A little hard for my personal liking, but it was okay. Got a table to put all my stuff on, a chair. Got a wardrobe here. A bunch of hangers if I need it. Old style TV, which I won't be using. And let me show you the amazing view though. This is probably the best part. Nature right outside. And then it's getting foggier out quickly. And then the town's right there. Not too bad, eh? Oranges growing right down there. Possibly lemons, I'm not sure. And then the bathroom. Just basic again, Western style toilet, sink, and shower with a it'll be cold water, unfortunately, but that's the way it goes. Anyway, not a bad room for 30,000 pesos, which is only about less than $9 Canadian. And last night, I stayed here already one night, and it was super quiet and nice and dark in the room, which was great. And I'll be staying here for 2 more nights here in La Aguada. They just turned on the Alumbrados de Navidad, the Christmas lights here in La Aguada. just after dusk, just up at the mirador taking a few photos. Didn't get any great light though, to be honest with you. But it was nice and relaxing. So I ended up having to stay an extra day because I didn't get my ticket in advance for the Jeep. But I'm hoping that works out in my favor, and that I finally, maybe, just maybe, get to go to Canyon Alvarez mañana, tomorrow. This looks kind of nice, eh?